Hello guys, as you may know, Grok 3 has just been released by XAI. It is beating all other released models in benchmarks right now. Although it is currently available only through the X Premium Plus subscription. There is a way to use it for free, which we will tell you in this video. So let's start. Search Chatbot Arena. Here, go to this first site. On this site, we can vote on AI model responses anonymously. Here, go to Direct Chat. In this list, make sure Grok 3 is selected. Here, you can chat with Grok 3's non-reasoning model. The reasoning model is not available for free anywhere at the time of this video. We can start chatting with Hi. Let's ask 2 questions. First, how many R's are in strawberry? It replied correctly with the answer 3. Second, let's ask it to create a Python snake game. Wait now. The code is here. Let's try it. See? It is completely working snake game code. You can chat with Grok 3 for free like this. That's all. Thanks for watching.